Hi guys, welcome to Moneyline Tips. In today's video, we are giving you 10.4 odds, a total of 5 matches. Okay, let's move on. Our first game today is in Estonia Liga, where Lavidia Tallinn is taking on Pet Limassol, and our prediction is home team win at full time. We move on to our second game for today in Norway, Liga 3, where Stabæk Football is taking on Lillestrøm SK, and our prediction is home team win. Then still in Norway, you have a game between Kelsas versus Vålerenga IF. Our prediction is home team win. Then before we move on to our third prediction for today, if you are new to this channel, click the like button. Also, click the notification bell. Then subscribe to this channel so that we get more contents like this every day. In this channel, we share free games on daily basis. We also do tutorial videos on how to predict football matches in different betting market. So subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay, moving on. We have a VIP platform where we give 10 to 20 odds on daily basis. So if you are interested in that, I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section. Go and chat me up that you are interested in the VIP. I will sign you up immediately. Okay, moving on, guys. Our fourth game, where do we stop? Our fourth game today is in still in Norway, where Fredstad is taking on Askolin, and our prediction is home team win at full time. Our last game for today is still in that Norway Division 3, where Fonefors is taking on HamKam 2, and our prediction is home team win. All this game today will play over 1.5 goals. So if you combine all of them and play over 1.5 goals, will give you a total of 3 odds. So that is for a separate ticket. You can play this in a separate ticket. Then also play this 10 odd in a separate ticket. Guys, good luck and bet responsibly. Thank you for staying tuned.